Buhari must go. Buhari must go. Now the new trending, what they call a hashtag, where they rain up for Nigeria. My people, they don't catch two people where they say Buhari must go. This was the even whole poster, the whole, what they even call a billboard. Make I use billboard. Now, so they hold them, they from their states, they enter Kogi state. Now, Kogi indigenous don't hold them captives. They say they know they go anywhere. Because they go protest, say Buhari must go. They, in fact, if you not see how they beat them mercilessly, they even write them for war, Buhari must go now. So they give them paint. Say they go paint the whole wall. They don't want to hear anything. Say how they go come from another place, come Kogi state, come protest. Ungwanu, I say I go bring them corner aside. So that when I go, no say not be all of us, they fight this battle together. Join me, make we watch the video.
Whoever sent you guys must come out before you are going to face the law. As a Nigeria, you must face the law. For you to cross your state and come to another somebody's state, you are going to face the law. That is sure. Look at your hair. If you are not out, what will make you to go out of your state and come to another state? And you are right, Buhari must go. Who told you Kogi is not for Buhari? Where do Kogi use that for Buhari? And that is why we are not going to accommodate you guys. We will deal with you guys. So start cleaning it.
Who is that guy from Kogi State?
Who is that guy?
Don't waste that petrol, man. Don't waste the petrol. If you waste that, who is that guy from Kogi State?
See, Buhari. Clean.
Now that most,
Clean it. You guys are not Kogi.
Hey. No, una dey see now if I dey talk some kind things. Tomorrow now, all of us go there together, put hands together, say, oh yeah, may we vote Buhari out. See people wey still dey fight for Buhari. Only with the way this guy dey talk, you go see say they don't pay am. You go see saying they benefit from government big time. If no, make person tell me the reason why this guy go open mouth. You know, una no hear am. He talk say, who told you that Kogi is not for Buhari? Meaning say Kogi state is for Buhari. Meaning say Kogi state is for Buhari, and some of us they fight. Say Buhari must go. See, some people don't make up their mind. Say they fight for this Buhari. Last, see, I go arrange am. Make una don't worry. You see these Kogi people. These Kogi people, we go send them go Togo. After all, no difference between them and Togo people. I know just understand. Because maybe they go there with them. Maybe we go relax more because I know just understand. Jesus. Buhari. Hey, this man don't cut. I know just understand. I will say we feel rewind the time. I will say we feel go back small. Like as we don't see am now, the recolor. I will say we feel just go back small. So that when I go open, then we go make correct decision. Now like this, we now want move forward. With people like this. Now we now want move forward. See, if I dey tell una vote for a better person. Because now they don't dey plenty. This one said, I don't even dey talk of not now. So una go dey shock by the time they start paying people. The kind people where they go dey pay now so that these people go still dey inside power. If una like, no come outside to vote. Continue to dey sit down inside your house. They do Buhari must go. Sit down inside your house. What a shame. Citizens now they beat protesters. Citizens. When all of us even supposed to come together now, they fight this fight. Some people go they suffer. But they no want admit say they suffer. You know if you admit say they suffer, but they suffer how much? 1,000 naira, I be 100,000 naira. When they don't give you now, they come outside. Which law? If you open say you are going to face the law, which law? You don't even know the meaning of law. Right to protest is inside this law you are against. Right to protest. We get bad governance, so we get right to protest against this bad governance. Now only for Nigeria, I don't see say citizens they face law and the politicians don't they face the same law. Politicians' law they different from citizens' law. Which kind of leaders we get like this? No, on a serious note, which kind of leader? Every day I dey ask myself. Tomorrow now, these same leaders go come outside. They talk about constitution. They talk about law of this, constitution of that. These same people, as if they know the meaning of constitution. I asked these people the last time, what thing happened to right of freedom of speech? They not say for the constitution, no. As they read the constitution, they reach that part, they jump up. That one, their eyes cannot see it. Now only the one way go favor them, their eyes they see inside constitution. I just wonder whether they just carry Nigeria. Maybe those years when we been there in peace, we they enjoy. Maybe those years now just the small grace when they give us to enjoy. This one are the real Nigeria. We dey here, they complain. And people, they actually enjoy under Buhari's administration. I just they wonder. Some people, they complain, while some people, they enjoy under Buhari. My problem now, not be even this one where una just watch. My problem go be 2023, where some of una no go gree come outside, come vote. Now my problem. See, Buhari must go, where everybody, they shout. Not be the solution, no. If you like, enter all the states of Nigeria. If you like, see, start you feel even air for all TV stations. Buhari must go. Tattoo am for your body if you like. Do cloth, write am for your shirt. Do anything wey you want to do. You see that vote? If you not come out vote, you are just wasting your energy, your time, your money, everything. Come outside and vote. That is the real Buhari must go. Not be all this one where you they do, you they carry. It good to protest. But on the main day, will you be there? Now the question be that. You go there. No come they show us now by mouth. Say you get straight to waka about. Come outside, come vote. Now wait till we want. See, may we dey together. Very, very important. And you go shock una. We go win. You understand? See this one now, they don't torture her. And only God know after this one, I was say, wetin go even happen after. So I beg, Biko, no they carry the way by all these plenty things on I just they see. Come outside and vote. Now the main thing be that. Hey, I don't repeat that like 10 times. Oh, hey, I'm not gonna talk past this one. I beg, share this video so that everybody go know say voting they very important. No be just Buhari must go by mouth. We don't want mouth, we want action this period. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, I wonder how you want they updated with interesting matters like this one. Drop your comment and as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.